Welcome to English Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
Wake up, wake up. Get up, get up. Wash your face, wash your face. Take a shower, take a shower. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Get dressed, get dressed. Brush your hair, brush your hair. Do your hair, do your hair. Make your bed, make your bed. Put on makeup, put on makeup. Have breakfast, have breakfast. Go to school, go to school. Drive to work, drive to work. Work, work. Study, study. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Have lunch, have lunch. Leave a school, leave a school. Get home, get home. Take a nap, take a nap. Have a snack, have a snack. Do homework, do homework. Read a book, read a book. Ride a bike, ride a bike. Go shopping, go shopping. Listen to music, listen to music. Exercise, exercise. Mop the floor, mop the floor. Vacuum, vacuum. Take out the trash, take out the trash. Water the lawn, water the lawn. Go for a walk, go for a walk. Watch TV, watch TV. Do the laundry, do the laundry. Hang the clothes, hang the clothes. Iron the clothes, iron the clothes. Do the dishes, do the dishes. Do the dusting, do the dusting. Make dinner, make dinner. Have dinner, have dinner. Take a bath, take a bath. Dry your hair, dry your hair. Go to bed, go to bed.
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.